Hi folks, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I am going to work on roofs. Yes, the dreaded roofs. I've received a model from a associate of mine, a client who wants me to draw up some plans for them, and the roofs are just, well, you can see need some help. Right? So let's get into it. Before I do, I'm going to give a shout out to my friends at Vardigan. I have some awesome shirts and hoodies. I kind of liking my hoodie today. It's kind of chilly outside. If you want some, check out their online shop at shop.vardigan.com. All right, I'm in Chief Architect Premiere version X9 on my Mac desktop. You can follow along on your PC, and I will try to remember to give you the keyboard shortcuts. If I use Command, that is the same as Control on your PC, and if I use Option, that is the same as Alt on your PC. I've also started using this little program called Keycaster, so when I press, you'll see down in the middle of my screen a little icon pops up and tells you what key I am pressing. Command looks like the symbol there. Alt or Option on the Mac looks like that. Once again, Command is the same as Control on your PC. Option is the same as Alt on your PC. All right. I'm not going to save this one for now. I'm going to do a split screen, and you'll see what I'm doing here. So first of all, I noticed that these two roof planes are separate entities, and I want to actually combine those. And so I'm going to go into the Q. I'm going to hit Q and go into, that's the roof tool. I'm going to select that roof entity object and this roof object, and I'm going to polyline union. Since they overlap, I'm going to join those and delete the originals, and that means that is a one object now. This object, this roof plane you'll see here, is not in the same plane as the original roof plane. So that's going to use a little different tool here, and that is the Move to Be Coplanar tool. When I select that roof plane, you'll get the child tools. By default, you should see child tools. If you've changed your settings in Chief Architect, check those out and show the child tools. So I want this to be coplanar with this plane here, and now they're together in the same plane. And once again, I'm going to shift and click on those two and make those a union, deleting the originals. Now I can just pull this back to here, and I cannot move. Okay. Aha. Sometimes you have to have just a single line here, a single edge on the roof plane, and it's tough when you get a break in there like that. So I'm going to drag this line up to this end. And look at that. This one actually turned out to be a little easier than I thought at first. I'm hitting the 2 key on my keyboard to be the join roof planes. See, now I'm going to have to go in here and actually remove some of these corners. And the way to do that, there's a couple of ways. One is you can drag that diamond shape, or you can drag this shape, this square shape, and bring that right to the end point. And when you get that red square box on your object snaps, be sure to have object snaps on. I almost always do. Then pull this diamond back to this corner here. Now, if I move this, I'll see that it is not creating any more angles or elbows. I do have some down here, so I'm going to escape out of that. And then, so what I did there was, as I'm dragging this, I was dragging this one first, and I don't want to drag that one, so I'm going to escape. And that just snaps back to where it was then, and pull this one down to that edge. Now, select this edge and join those roof planes together. Let's just make sure that's what it is. Now over here, I did the option O, which gives me the orbit tool. Now I can check around and make sure that roof plane is the way it needs to be. Now they're clean, ready to go. Hey, this has been Tim Schrock with Design Build Solutions, bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday on working with manual roofs. I hope this has been helpful, and if you've learned something or appreciate this video, I always enjoy the encouragement, appreciate the encouragement of a thumbs up. If you've got topics for upcoming Tech Tip Tuesdays, please leave a comment below, and I will certainly try to get to those when we get there. As always, have a great week.